Hello and welcome. Shopping in Amazon is great. When it is time to pay, there are a couple of options you may want Amazon to have. If you are trying to pay with Apple Pay, here's how you can do it. Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can pay with Apple Pay in Amazon. But do know that not many vendors accept Apple Pay. So if the vendor that sells the product of your choice accepts Apple Pay, what happens is, let's say I choose this item. Okay, let's go to card directly and proceed to checkout. And in this payment method, you can see Apple Pay. The process is same in your iPhone. And in the payment method, you can only see Apple Pay if you have linked a card to your iPhone's wallet app. So once you've selected Apple Pay, you should confirm your address and payment details. And for the authenticator of the payment, you might want to use your Face ID or Touch ID to authenticate the purchase. And finally, you can just confirm your payment and finish the process. Alright? The alternative, if you don't have Apple Pay, if the vendor does not accept Apple Pay, is using Apple Card, just as you would use any other credit or debit card. Now you know how to use Apple Pay to pay for Amazon. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time.